Okay, I'm going to try doing this video. I tried 3 times yesterday and could not get it to work. So, this is some of the new paper. It's called The Need for Tweed, which is just, adorable. Let's see how it all looks like tweed fabric. So, I was looking through to see which piece I wanted to use, and I saw this, and I thought, you know what, I'll make a Christmas card. So this is a real pretty cherry cobbler on one side, and then it's got the old olive and the cherry cobbler on the other. So I actually made the video yesterday, but then it didn't record. So these were the cards that I had made. This one, I don't have these adhered down yet, but this one and this one. So you can see how they are similar, but they're also a little different. This one is just going to open. Where did I put my white piece? There it is. This is just a regular card that would open, and I would stamp the inside where we've just cut out the triangles to go on either corner. And then this one, we made it so just the top opens. Okay, so I'm going to do them both again since everything got messed up yesterday, but I'm going to make a little twist and do them just a little bit differently. So you actually end up seeing 4 cards instead of just 2. So I've already cut my cherry cobbler in our regular 8.5 by 5.5. Go ahead and fold those. Okay, my bone folder, there it is. I knew it was around here somewhere. So on this one yesterday, I actually meant to make a mat to go here. So if you're going to do that, of course, we're going to make the mat. Of course, the card folded like this is 4.25 by 5.5. So you just go a 1/4 inch smaller than that, and we'll go 4 by 5.25. I want to see how that's going to look a little bit different. So it's fine. It gave me a chance to play a little bit. So I'll just mat this on here. Yeah, I had everything all out and ready. I had probably 10 minutes into the video before I realized that it was not recording. So I said, all right. So put the mat on there. So the mat is 4 by 5.25. If I wasn't using the mat yesterday, I just used these 2 pieces of DSP as 4 by 4, and then cut it diagonally and put the 2 on there, leaving the space in the middle for the words. This time, I'm going to make it, because the mat is only 4 inches wide, I'm going to go 3 3/4 square. 3 3/4. And of course, you could use either side of this paper. And this doesn't have to be Christmas paper. I just saw these colors and thought, well, you know what? I always, this time of year, start needing my Christmas cards, so why not? All right, so I'll get this out of the way. Okay, so then all we're doing is putting this on one side and this on the other. See, and then you put your words right up there. So that's without the mat, where our DSP would be 4 by 4. And this is with the mat, with the DSP is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. Let me just adhere this on here. And then we'll work on the other one, because I'm going to do it just a little bit differently also. May as well, right? I mean, this is when I'm playing, I have kind of an idea of what I want to do, but then once I get started, sometimes that changes altogether. Okay. Oops. There we go. And then we can just take our words, and I'm using some from this Greetings for All mix and match. I think I had another Happy Holiday in here. If not, I will just leave this for a bit. Um, yeah, I think I'll leave it for a minute because I did put the happy holidays on